Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your HTML embed code for your Kartra email capture forms? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your embed HTML code for your form on Kartra anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have an email capture form on your website. And with Kartra, you can set those up and put them on your WordPress website, your Wix website, or wherever your website might be. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the HTML embed code to your email capture form, here on the left, you want to click on forms. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the email opt-in forms that you've designed on Kartra. You can see I just have this one. And in order to get the HTML embed code so that we can post it on your website, click right here on these three dots, and you want to click on this button here, get code. Okay, so once you get that, you get these two options. You want to ask which one of these types of codes, whether it's going to be JavaScript or naked HTML, which one you want. And then all you're going to do is just click on the box and you'll see your code down here, and you can just copy it and then give it on over to your designer, or you can choose HTML right here. And here is the HTML code. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your HTML embed code for your email capture forms with Kartra, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.